The days are getting shorter and the temperature is getting cooler. Fall is just around the corner, so let's discuss some important steps you can take to restore any summer damage and prepare your lawn for winter. Summer can be tough on your lawn. Extreme heat and drought or grub and insect damage can leave your lawn in need of repair. First, if you're currently experiencing grub or insect damage, it is important to eliminate this activity to prevent any further damage to your lawn. Fall is a perfect time to apply insecticide as grubs are near the surface feeding. Applying DuoCide and then watering will ensure any pests that live above or below the surface have been eliminated. Next, it's important to keep fertilizing. This will help your lawn recover from summer stress so it can shift its energy to preparing for winter dormancy. PGF Balance 10-10-10 is a perfect fertilizer for this time of year. It gives your lawn a balanced boost of nutrients that are enough to recover from summer stress, but not too much nitrogen as it prepares your lawn for winter. If you have cool season turf, fall is the perfect time to aerate and overseed. Overseeding will improve the overall quality and thickness of your lawn. If you have warm season turf, fall is the perfect time to apply pre-emergent weed control. As your turf begins to go dormant, winter weeds have the opportunity to establish themselves. Applying Barricade around the first frost and then again in late winter will help prevent weeds. And finally, fall is a great time to build your soil quality. Remember, everything we do to ensure a healthy lawn starts with soil quality. Adding carbon to your soil with Humic DG, HumiChar, and BioChar DG will help you continue building your soil quality. So get out there and enjoy the perfect weather for working in your yard. For more information on the Andersons' entire family of professional lawn care products, visit andersonshomeandgarden.com.